Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Let's see what Spirit wants the collective to know today. Fire, spontaneity. Oh, this is a lot of cards, y'all. Hold on. What the heck is happening here? So we've got dice, gamble, dowsing rods, seeker. Seeker came out the other day in the archetype deck. Communication. Someone is seeking a way to communicate with you. They feel quite passionate about you. They want to take a gamble. Nature, might be time for you to get out, get some more fresh air, hug a tree. Wisdom, your wisdom is appreciated. Continue to share it with others freely. Numerology, precision. Scrying, mirror, projection. Someone is projecting their intense emotions onto you. You might have even have been awakened in the middle of the night with this moon energy, and perhaps your counterpart who you are in separation with, when they think heavily about you and they are in this energy, you definitely feel it. Book, knowledge, share your knowledge, continue to gain knowledge. Mastery, this came out yesterday. You are becoming a master of your domain, of your heart, of your mind. Candle, illumination, you will be learning a lot very quickly. You are acquiring hella knowledge from the ancients. You are becoming more wise, more confident, more controlled. Chance, don't be afraid to take a chance. In business, in love, doing something very different from what you're accustomed to doing. Let's clarify with the tarot. Well, I did not ask anything, but this Knight of Air came out in reverse, so I'm going to put it back. Oh, and then at the bottom we've got Six of Cups, so your past person can't decide if they want to hate you or love you today. Ooh-wee, collective, these energies, let me tell you, they have been rough. All right, dice, gamble. What? Spirit is, woo. Lovers, number 6. Clarifying dice, gamble, judgment. Someone took a gamble with a contract, love, business. Doesn't look like it paid off too well. Let's see, let's keep going. Dowsing rods, seeker. An emperor. An emperor that came out kind of, you know, his boat. He's in his boat. His boat is rocking right now. So this emperor, he's seeking you out. You have him on a timeout. He does not have access to you. Spirit has put up a gate that he is not allowed to enter at this time because he has gambled on the wrong things. He has denied his ascension, and so he learns, like we all learn, communication. Goodness. King of water, King of cups. So this emperor could be this King of cups, or this could be another masculine energy. You could have 2 masculine energies that have their eye on you right now. They are feeling the fire. Oof. 6 of fire, lots of fire. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Nature, why is nature here? Ooh. Damn, in reverse. Magician in reverse. I don't like that, y'all. I don't like it when the magician comes out in reverse. I really don't. And it's on top of nature. And look at this. This card actually is quite dark. Color scheme is dark, but then you have this light right here. So no matter how entrenched in the darkness you might become, this light is always following you. And so this black magic that this emperor or this king of water cups could be up to right now, all right, have at it. You know what I'm saying? Have at it. Two of cups, two of water. This card came out yesterday. This is masculine right here. He's in a mood, mastery. He sees that you are mastering. You are the captain of your ship. His heart feels as if it's being eaten alive in his rib cage. Ace of Wands, clarifying, mastery, trying to master his emotions. He absolutely does not enjoy feeling the intensity of this connection at this time with you, especially because there's no communication. Oracle wisdom. Oh my gosh, what is happening right now? King of Fire. Clarifying oracle wisdom. So they're definitely, oh my gosh, my hair is like all in my face. There's definitely another masculine energy that is, I won't say they're circling, but there's another masculine that has his eye on you, collective. I don't know, because you got this damn knife right here. This could be, I don't know. We're going to keep going on this because this has got a little, I mean, this dude looking a little, you know, like, yeah, no, I don't know about this right here. Let's see. Okay, then we got 9 of Fire. At the bottom, this King of Fire finds you to be irresistible. You are artistic. See, this card here, lovers, you've got this woman, this feminine energy, and you've got this masculine painting her. So you could have a masculine looking at some of your photos. There's definitely some watching going on because you've got this emperor here in the background. Okay, well, numerology, precision. Might be seeing 333, 444, 555. This 9 of Fire did come out. Not giving up, just waiting for the right moment with this 9 of Fire and precision. And this is beneath the Emperor and the dowsing rod Seeker. So because this Emperor is with the Seeker, I'm inclined to think that this could be another energy seeking you out, not quite sure how to approach you. Or it could be someone from your past that has tried to approach you, didn't have much luck for whatever reason. So they're recalibrating their strategy. Scrying mirror, I'm going to clarify this, but remember we already have this magician in reverse that's clarifying nature. So there was definitely more than likely some moon magic practiced last night, this weekend, this past weekend. 8 of Swords. Someone wants to bind you to them. Scrying mirror. Judgment. They are under judgment for this magic. They might not be aware of it, but they will be. You're gonna learn the hard way. Stop fucking with this magic. Asshole. Knowledge. Knowledge, clarifying knowledge, please and thank you, Spirit. Ooh. 5 of Cups. You've got someone that realizes without a doubt that you are their divine counterpart. They are in a lot of regret, but they're also quite angry, you see? So I don't know where all this anger is coming from. It has to be slightly misplaced. It could be because of another feminine energy. I'm not quite sure. This is Queen of Water. Behind Queen of Water, we've got Temperance. And then we've got Three of Water, Three of Cups. And then we have King of Air. So this could be a third party Queen of Water that the masculine or someone who's got their eye on you is currently with. They are in a state of agitation, perhaps. Maybe that passion that they're trying to recreate with someone else is backfiring. The magic is backfiring. They feel like you're chewing on their heart invisibly. Illumination. Four of Earth at the bottom. Ten of Fire. Clarifying illumination. There is a lot of, it's passionate rage. This is like bordering on just not the kind of energy you really want to play with, you know. You just kind of have to let this fire burn itself out because it's too much right now. It's not being managed properly. Emotions aren't being managed or controlled properly at this time for a segment of the masculine collective. Yep. All right, chance. Wise chance here. We've got chance and gamble out. Someone took a chance with love. It didn't pan out. Moon came out sideways for chance. Secrets hidden. Feminine energy. See, feminine in the moon. This moon is the color of the sun. So this is just gives me the feeling of the masculine wanting to merge with the feminine at this time. Hence, all of this passionate, fire, raging energy. They are unable to get the same spark with other casual, serious, whatever relationships. Knave of Air at the bottom. So you are being watched, but those that are watching you, they're being watched. So it's okay. Let's see. I love this deck. I really, really do. It's so precise when capturing the dark aspects of emotion. It's just very clear. This Judgment card is also quite interesting because you've got this feminine energy here. It's as if she's birthing, bringing life through judgment. The birds are coming out of her. And she's being taken care of by the elements, the outside forces. All right, let's see. I kind of want to, do I want to clarify this or do I want to stop? I think I'm going to clarify this with this deck. Just keep going. I want another layer. Okay. So this Lovers with this Gamble. Let's see. Lovers with Gamble. Please clarify. Give us more. Please and thank you, Spirit. Lovers. So we've got Lovers, Emperor, Judgment, out, Moon. Intense energies right now. Yeah. Lovers, Emperor, Judgment, Moon. It's four arcana. Eight of Wands. So movement, Wheel of Fortune at the bottom. Eight of Wands, a message, communication, moving away from a lover, moving towards a lover, moving locations, wanting to communicate with you quickly. Let's get another card for Eight of Wands. Queen of Swords at the bottom, King of Cups. All right, yeah, we got King of Cups already out. Look, communication, King of Cups. Yeah, I love it when the cards do this. Gamble, Lovers, Eight of Wands, King of Cups. King of Cups wants to communicate with you. Queen of Swords, Destiny, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups. So right now, this King of Water is seeing you as the Queen of Swords. And or there is a Queen of Swords, a karmic that is watching you, but that's not really what I'm feeling right now. So let's keep going. Emperor, what is this with? Emperor with Seeker. Clarify Emperor with Seeker. King of Cups is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Ooh, the Moon. Clarifying Emperor with Seeker. Nine of Swords. Seven of Swords. Knight of Wands. Knight of Cups. Lovers. And this Emperor is an ant right now. He came out kind of sideways. Now we got the Moon. So this Emperor is hiding something. And we've got the Moon already out with this chance. So maybe the Emperor is hiding that he took a chance with whatever, who knows what. Because I did have a dream last night of the masculine in the bathroom in a hotel brushing his teeth. And then when I asked him if he was married, he started stuttering. And then I wound up in the basement of this hotel, or like the parking lot, but the parking lot had a table. And there were literal mobsters at the table. Like they knew who I was, but then when I was done talking to them, everything was cool. It was like there was some kind of contract. So I don't know, but this is giving me underworld energy, no doubt about it. This is underworld energy with this Moon coming out twice, in addition to some darker magic that's been practiced. So with that said, and then we've got this Nine of Swords and this Seven of Swords. So what this Emperor is also hiding is how much despair they are in. They could literally be in a lot of trouble with some sort of criminal element, for sure. So again, you know, this judgment has to play out separate from you. All right, let's keep going. King of Water with communication. Ooh, it came out in reverse. Destiny in reverse. King of Swords. Ooh. Four of Swords. Ace of Wands. Five of Cups. Page of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so someone feels their destiny. It could be this King of Cups. Well, yeah, it landed on the King of Cups. So this King of Cups feels his destiny has been reversed. There's a King of Swords in the background. This has been coming out a lot in my readings where he doesn't come out the deck, but you can feel the presence of a King of Swords energy. So this King of Swords could be involved in this darker element of what feels like criminality. Could be holding something over this King of Cups head. Let's keep going. Magician in reverse with nature. Ace of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. So this is work related. Nature, magician in reverse, not able to manifest. Manifestations have gone awry. Working hard, but working alone. Three of Pentacles, typically you'll have more than one person. In this deck, this person is solo. They are alone. They are dark. They are illuminated in the dark. They are on a computer working very intently. A lot of watching going on. Ace of Cups, Four of Pentacles. This could even be a porn addiction. All right, let's clarify this Ace of Fire with this Mastery. Ace of Fire. Ooh. Page of Wands. And there's a lot more fire in this card. A message. Someone really, really, really wants to get a message to you. It could be a third party. Someone that you're not aware of that wants to speak to you, that wants to rat out this masculine energy. Who knows? Who cares? That's not going to be allowed either. King of Fire. Oracle Wisdom. Let's clarify this King of Fire with the Oracle Wisdom. Strength. Universe. Page of Swords. Two of Wands. Strength with the King of Wands and Wisdom. That's interesting. I'm not really sure what to make of this. Okay, there's been some wisdom acquired by King of Wands. They are gathering their strength. For what, though? To communicate. They see you as strong. They see you as wise. They want you to see them as strong and wise. Why is strength here with King of Wands and Wisdom? Four of Wands. Four of Wands, clarifying strength. And then we have Eight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Okay, so this King of Wands is working diligently to try to balance out this connection right now. Oh, wait a minute. So this King of Wands is likely this King of Cups too. No, could be separate. This doesn't have to be just family reunion. It could be something else. Strength, King of Wands, Wisdom. I'm going to get another card. Working hard, Eight of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Four of Wands, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, Page of Swords, Ten of Wands. All right, well, this didn't just throw me all the way off. So there's a Queen of Wands. This is a King of Wands. So this is a counterpart. So there's a King of Wands and a Queen of Wands watching you, seeing you as this Queen of Swords, because we've got the Page of Swords behind the Queen of Swords. Behind the Ten of Wands, we have Justice. Behind Justice, we have Ten of Swords. And then we have the Lovers. And then we have Nine of Swords. This is beneath King of Cups and Eight of Wands, Lovers. So there is a King of Cups, an Emperor. There is a King of Wands separate from this King of Cups. This is not the same energy. So collective, feminine, divine feminine, you could literally have a new masculine energy on the horizon that is interested in you, that their counterpart is aware of. With this, Queen of Swords, Page of Swords. So this feels like a spin-off energy right here. Well, whatever, ain't nobody, what? Okay, I'm going to come back. No, I'm going to, hold on. What the heck? Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands in reverse. Ten of Pentacles. What in the heck? Six of Cups, Ace of Swords, Four of Cups, Eight of Swords, Five of Wands, Three of Swords. Ooh. Queen of Wands in the upright with Queen of Wands clarifying in the reverse. So there's a reversed Queen of Wands. Ah, yeah, that's what I said. Okay, so yeah, there's a King of Wands. I don't think this is a mass. This is the DM. This is another person that this Queen of Wands is trying to hold on to that you are not aware of. And she is going into the reverse. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Cups is someone from your past. Oh. So this could also be a former friend of yours, a feminine friend, who is now going through some sort of major disruption in their own marriage. And it could be judgment for whatever involvement they might have had in disparaging your reputation with this masculine. Because we know that this masculine, this DM, has been running his big mouth, talking a lot of shit about the feminine in the circles that he runs in. And this Queen of Wands, this is a friend of this masculine's, a former friend of yours, but this heifer right here has been up to no good from the very, very, very beginning. Way back when. And now her ass is upside down. So whatever, we're done with that. Nine of Fire. Nine of Fire with numerology precision. Yeah, heifer. That's why she's upside down. Punk ass. Aeon and Archpriestess, clarifying Nine of Wands and precision. That's two major arcana. Coming out. Realization. Archpriestess. Dissolution. Ten of Swords. King of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Somebody worked with a high priestess with this black magic, and they're realizing that whatever they were trying to project towards you, because we've got scrying mirror with judgment, it didn't work. So, yeah, you got the moon here, emperor. They do see you as the high priestess, but there is another high priestess, I think. Let's clarify one more. Actually, let me go to this deck. No, because the Queen of Wands didn't come out of here, so let's see if she comes out. Oh, wait, yes, she did. I know, right? I'm tripping. Hold on. Archpriestess. Clarify Archpriestess. Nine of Cups. Three of Earth. Clarifying Archpriestess. The World, and Two of Earth. All right, so yeah, this is a practitioner that they worked with. There's a cycle that's ending and someone is off balance, which could be this Queen of Wands in reverse, clarifying the Queen of Wands in the upright. Judgment with projection, scrying mirror, Chariot. They want to get away from this judgment because they are getting their asses handed to them. All of their investments are now up in the air. Everything that this group, because this is a group that they've invested in, is up in the air. Judgment, Chariot, Art, Queen of Cups, Hermit, Two of Swords. All right, let's get another card for Chariot. Something flipped. Hold on. Five of Wands, contention, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to get the hell away from this judgment. this group, this masculine, this King of Cups with his destiny in reverse. He wants to get away from all of this. Like, he wants to flee because he's getting jacked up. We've got Five of Wands out here. We have the Five of Cups with knowledge. All right, didn't come out. Five of Cups with knowledge. Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Page of Cups. Five of Cups. All right. Knowledge. Five of Cups. Misused their magic, their knowledge. It's resulted in well, I know the Nine of Cups is like, you know, wishes fulfillment and this, that, and the other. But this is like my drinking card, my down and out card in this deck. Because you see the cups, they're all on the floor. This masculine energy is on his stomach, naked in the bed. Pentacle here is in the air. Page of Cups here, you've still got, there's juggling going on. Something is still out of reach. And then you've got the Five of Cups here. And Queen of Swords, once again, Nine of Swords. So they see you as the Queen of Swords, losing a lot of sleep over you. Everything that they've tried to do with precision has faltered and left them, this group and this masculine, in a worst off state of being. 10 of Wands. All right, I'm ready to get out of here. This is too much. I'm exhausted. 10 of Wands. Hierophant. Clarifying. 10 of Wands with illumination. 7 of Pentacles. Investing in the wrong thing. Could have been a marriage. Knight of Swords behind 7 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. 6 of Cups. Ace of Swords, 4 of Cups, and the 8 of Swords. So just a lot of realization of they're coming to terms with being petty just doesn't pan out, I guess. I mean, to put it bluntly, you know, because this is nothing but pettiness. When you have to resort to spying, black magic, talking with other people that don't even know, you know, the person that you're talking about, that's all very petty, low level, like it's just low level. It's trash mentality. And I guess this group might be coming to the realization, or not, that they're trash, and their trash mentality needs to be cleaned up. Maybe. There's the Moon. Last card, y'all. Moon with Chance. What just came out? 8 of Pentacles? 8 of Pentacles. All right. 9 of Swords. So someone's giving their final shot. Maybe it's at redemption. Who knows? Chance, Moon, 8 of Pentacles. Maybe this magic was their last shot at trying to resolve some of these dark matters of the dark. Yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to title this, but the only queen that came out is the Queen of Wands, once in the upright and once in reverse. No Empress came out. The Queen of Swords never came out of the deck. So while the Divine Feminine is likely being watched, she is nowhere in the physical vicinity of any of this, other than perhaps being spied on via the internet, social media, etc. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.